Today I'm going to show you how to install and use dual WhatsApp account in any Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So as you can see, I'm already installed one WhatsApp. Or another, you just open your Play Store using WhatsApp Business to install. You just use another WhatsApp apps and WhatsApp Business, or if you want to use WhatsApp account, dual WhatsApp, just open your settings, press on to advanced feature, scroll down, showing it to dual messenger. Make sure to enable to install, confirm, next, and okay. As you can see, now installed one WhatsApp Business, and another WhatsApp, use another account. That's it.